What is physical fitness? Physical fitness is a combination of health related and skill related attributes. It represents your ability to perform physical activities effectively, whether in sports or daily life. There are five key components of health related physical fitness. These are cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility, and body composition. Cardiovascular endurance. The heart, lungs, and blood work continuously to supply oxygen efficiently. This increases energy levels throughout the day. For example, running, swimming, cycling, and dancing. Muscular strength. The maximum force of muscle can produce. Exercises using body weight, free weights, or machines help build strength for lifting heavy objects. For example, lifting heavy weights and pushing a heavy piece of furniture. Muscular endurance. The ability to contract muscles multiple times without fatigue. It determines how long muscles can work before tiring, such as carrying heavy objects for long periods. For example, push up, dancing, and planking. Flexibility. The range of motion of joints. It improves performance, reduces injury risk, and can be enhanced through stretching and yoga. For example, dynamic stretching, hamstring stretch at lunge. Body composition. The ratio of water, bone, muscle, and fat. A healthy composition lowers the risk of obesity related diseases and is measured by BMI and skin fold tests. Skill related physical fitness, also known as performance fitness, refers to the ability to excel in sports and games. It plays a crucial role in mastering the technical aspects of various athletic activities. Skill related fitness consists of six components that enhance athletic performance and movement efficiency. First is agility, the ability to change and control body direction and position quickly. For example, quick movement in tennis. Balance, the ability to control or stabilize the body's equilibrium. For example, landing in basketball or performing a V sit in gymnastics. Power, the ability to move body parts swiftly while applying maximum force. For example, shot put, javelin throw, and long jump. Reaction time, the ability to respond quickly to a stimulus. For example, a sprinter reacting to the start signal or a goalkeeper saving a penalty. Speed, the ability to move body parts quickly. For example, a powerful golf swing or striking a ball over a long distance.